This is our Mr. Green. He is a red or flame, and all of our flames are males. We can't have any females unless we would mate a red male to Sassy. Sassy is a tortie, and her daddy was a flame. So she's been very gracious to us and has given us at least one flame out of every litter. They are, as I said, they seem to be real docile and non-fearful and very, very fluffy. This one has really long fur. And I think this one is going to be either a color point or a mitted. You can begin to see a little bit of the red color, showing up on his nose. It's really hard to tell with the reds because their color comes in later. And this one may be a lynx. You can see the striping on the tail, but we won't know that until later. And we also won't know if they're going to be mitted or a color point until later because their color doesn't come in. Sometimes we're not even sure if they're going to be mitted by the time they leave. But all of our reds seem to be big cats. The ones that he's got a little matter on his eye. The ones that we've had all have ended up pretty good size and fluffy. I think this one's a little sleepy. Yeah, I woke you up, didn't I? Mm-hmm. They're all little sweethearts. We haven't had any health issues at all. Like I said, they're very healthy and a little on the chunky side, but that's good, being little babies. Oh, yeah. I think you would go to sleep if I'd sit here and pet you long enough. So this is our little Mr. Green. Yeah, he's going to lay down and go sleep.